Regular expressions in Python's RegEx offer a powerful mini-language for pattern matching. They are essential for modern development, enabling validation, data extraction, and text manipulation. These capabilities are crucial in automation, data analysis, and web scraping, providing concise solutions to complex string processing challenges that would otherwise require extensive procedural code. Regular expressions, a mini-language within Python's RegEx, are crucial for modern development. They enable powerful string manipulation, essential for tasks like validation, data extraction, and text manipulation in automation, data analysis, and web scraping. RegEx offers concise solutions to complex string processing challenges, reducing the need for extensive procedural code. RegEx components are essential for crafting precise patterns. Anchors like caret and $sign ensure patterns match string boundaries. Character classes, such as left bracket and right bracket and \d, define character sets. Quantifiers like asterisk, plus, and curly bracket n, m control repetition. Groups and capturing with parentheses allow sub-pattern extraction. Flags like re.ignorcase modify matching behavior. Anchors define boundaries with caret for string start and $ for end. Character classes like az, rnd, and doesw specify sets. Quantifiers control repetition. Asterisk for 0 or more, plus for 1 or more, question mark for 0 or 1, and n/m for specific ranges. Capturing groups use parentheses to extract and reference sub-patterns. Python's RegEx offers essential functions for pattern matching. Re.match checks patterns at the string's start, while re.search scans for the first occurrence. Re.findAll lists all non-overlapping matches, and re.findIter provides detailed match objects. Re.sub allows pattern-based text substitutions, facilitating complex string transformations. Email validation using RegEx ensures structural correctness. The pattern checks for a valid username with special characters, a required @ symbol, a domain with alphanumeric characters, and a top-level domain of at least 2 letters. Implementing this in Python, the rematch function confirms format compliance, returning true for valid emails and false otherwise.